Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about fan tokens. I'm going to be going over what are fan tokens, why organizations launch fan tokens, the top tokens by market cap, how to determine price action, and if I recommend personally investing in any specific fan tokens. This was an article written by CoinMarketCap, which does a very good job in summarizing what fan tokens are. Fan tokens are cryptocurrencies that permit their holders access to a variety of fan-related memberships like voting, club decisions, rewards, merchandise designs, and unique experiences. They can be used by sports clubs, music fan clubs, and other organizations to democratize and organize experiences, establish club leaderships, and more. Now, I believe it's very important to point out that fan tokens, they are not the same as a stock or partial ownership in an organization. This is a completely separate thing, and I do not want anyone thinking that if you buy a certain fan token that you have partial ownership of an organization. That's not the case. It is a completely separate entity. Here on CoinMarketCap, they have a list of the top fan tokens by market cap. So a big question that I tried figuring out was, why do these organizations launch fan tokens? And the main two reasons that I came up with through my research was that the main reason organizations launch fan tokens are to, number one, raise funds, and two, grow and strengthen the community through interaction. Now, if we look here on the right side at the market cap, you can see that the top fan tokens in the world, they have a market cap of over $20 million each, the top four. Before these fan tokens were minted, this money was nowhere near the hands of these organizations. But after these companies and organizations created these fan tokens and there was a huge price demand and surge for them, these companies and organizations basically made, for example, 26 million, 23 million. So this was a way for these organizations to generate a little bit extra income on the side. Alright, so looking at the top 5 tokens, I may be pronouncing these names wrong, so please excuse me, but the top fan token is SS Lazo fan token. It has a market cap of 26 million. The second place token is Alpine F1 Team fan token. That has a market cap of 23 million. Then there is Paris Saint-Germain. PSG is a professional football league, or a professional football team, that has a market cap of 21 million. And then Santos Football Club fan token, market cap of 20 million. And then lastly is FC Barcelona fan token, which also has a market cap of 20 million. Alright, so if you would like, you can go to each one of those websites and the specific organizations will tell you about what their fan token does and what their utilities are. For this example in this video, I'm just going to go to PSG's fan token because I actually know something about PSG somewhat. I follow football a little bit. So here on their website, this is their fan token homepage. It says, "Be more than a fan. The PSG fan token will give you the power to help the less Parisians make the right decisions, access VIP experiences, and earn official products and more." So by holding on to the PSG fan token, you can vote on decisions. Some of these decisions that PSG has offered is for example, you can vote on the club to select between 3 different designs for their roof ridge visual. You can vote on the design cover for their FIFA 22 limited edition. And then you also get a chance to interview some of the players, which is pretty cool. In my opinion, I think that's one of the best voting utilities of the PSG fan token. At the bottom it says, why should I own the token? For one, you can own a share of influence of your team, you get in the driving seat and make the right decisions, you turn your dreams into reality with fantastic rewards, and you join a new era of superfans. So as you can see, based on the chart here, the price of these tokens, they differ and change just as much as regular cryptocurrencies. So what determines the price action of fan tokens? So a majority of fan tokens see a price increase or decrease depending on current news regarding the team or group. For example, if there's a soccer team for like PSG or FC Barcelona that announces a major signing of a player or roster move that many people believe was a good move, then expect the price of the fan token to rise. Also, when a team is performing well, you can expect and have a general idea that the price token is going to rise. For example, this is the Argentine Football Association fan token, And this is the 1 month chart, and as you can see, on December 18th, there's a huge price increase. The token jumped to over $7. Right now it's trading at just $1.50. And on December 18th was when the Argentina national team beat France in the World Cup final. So all that hype and all that attention definitely drove the price action. But as you can see, in the following week, the price did not hold and it reduced back to where it was prior to the World Cup final. Alright, so my opinions and do I recommend investing in fan tokens? My answer is that it depends. I recommend buying fan tokens if you are a true fan of a said club or group. It's a great way to show your support for your team and to get involved on certain decisions within the organization that you are supporting. However, I do not recommend buying fan tokens as a way of sports betting. For example, if you think a certain team is going to win a league in an upcoming season, I do not recommend buying fan tokens because you may end up being right and that team could end up winning the league, but due to other price factors and market conditions, the fan token may not see a price increase. This is uncommon, but we have seen it before in the fan token market. So that's my consensus. Another thing I want to add is that for the top fan tokens, the changes in votes that are given to holders of the tokens don't really impact the actual performance of a club or organization. For example, for the PSG token, holders cannot vote on the starting lineup one day, for example. But I do imagine there will be a future fan token for a smaller market cap organization that gives over full control of operations to fan token holders. This may already be the case and I may not be aware of it, but I think it's definitely something that will be in the works soon just because of how much attention the market cap of fan tokens are growing, and it'll be kind of like a meme to give full autonomy to holders of a specific token instead of having a single person decide on the operations of an organization. Alright everyone, thank you all for watching. This was my video on fan tokens. If you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful in any way, please consider subscribing. It's completely free and it helps out my channel a ton. Alright, thank you all for watching and I'll see you all soon.